Hey yo, what's good to YouTube gang? This your favorite mentor back again, guys. With another banger, guys. So this one is unusual, guys. This one now we're gonna speak about the cheat codes of Nasdaq, right? So I want you to subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. Please do pause this video and like the video if you haven't. After watching the whole video, please do comment and tell us what you have learned from the video, right? But nonetheless, guys, please watch the video till the end because we're gonna be exposing some juicy secrets on NAS 100. Now I'm just gonna go straight into the video, right? I'm gonna show you guys and I'm gonna teach you guys and I'm gonna make you guys understand that Nasdaq is actually something that you can make a lot of money off, right? And let's dive into it, right? Let's dive into it. So before we analyze, before we touch the markets, before we do anything, I want you to go get a notebook, get a pen, get a pencil, or take another phone and just type the notes and something, because this video is going to be like the most powerful and the most sense how can I say it it's gonna be it's gonna be the most sensitive video, right? Sorry for taking long, guys, but yeah, it's gonna be the most sensitive video, right? So the thing is, why my things aren't perfect, why my videos aren't so good and flashy. It's because people are fake, and I don't have a problem with people really being fake. It's their life. At the end of the day, that's how they live, right? But I'm not that type of person who's fake. I'm not that type of person who rehearses my videos. Yes, I write down what I want to talk about, but it's not about the vocabulary, right? It's more about what you're gonna learn, because you can watch a video for 6 hours and still not be profitable. You can watch a video for 30 seconds and make money, right? So to me, the concept is just, are you making sense or are you just talking ass, right? Sorry for swearing, guys, but let's get into the video. So the first thing when it comes to Nasdaq is you want to pay close attention to price, right? So now what happened here is that we can see that the market formed some kind of a trend line right there, right? I'm going to use this to explain what I'm saying, right? And then we're going to move into the markets later on. So let me just make this trend line a bit perfect. Good, right? So now the market kept on touching this trend line, right? And how do you know that the market is going to come here and give us another proper sell? You need to pay close attention to what the market is doing, guys. Now look at this. The market already broke this support, right? The market already broke that support, guys. I'm sorry, the market broke that support, but that's not what I'm saying. Remember, we have to pay close attention to price. Understand? You're gonna form something like this, right? And I know for now it doesn't make sense, right? For now it doesn't make sense, but this, we call it an inside channel, right? Trends in trend, right? Now we can see some kind of a bearish flag forming here, right? We can see some kind of a bearish flag forming here on Nasdaq, right? And this basically means that the market is coming down, correcting its way to sell, right? But it's fine. We have more confluences. Look at the market just creating a lower low right over here. Look at how the market just creates a lower low, right? And the market goes up, and then as soon as the market gives you this nice bearish candlestick, guys, that's when you take your entry, because now it confirms to you that the market wants to start selling, guys, and you need to catch the move before it's too late. You feel me? So after the market gives you this impulsive move, you just take your entry and then you go down with the market, guys. You can even just target this low right here and then have your nice stop loss right over somewhere here. That's a 1:1. It's fine, guys, as long as you make money, as long as the strategy is accurate. Now, how would I know that this market is gonna start buying here, right? So remember I said pay close attention to what price is doing, right? Pay close attention to what price is doing, right? Now if I take my horizontal ray, here we had like a support, right? Here we had like a support, right? Why am I saying this is support? The market rejected here, the market rejected here, the market rejected here, the market rejected here, and so on it goes, right? Now what happens here is that the market keeps on violating this support, right? It keeps on weakening out of this support. Look at this, guys. It keeps on weakening out on the support. And it's not only that. What is the market forming? The market is forming an inverse head and shoulders pattern, right? What does that mean, guys? Inverse head and shoulder means what? That the market wants to start buying, right? The market wants to start buying. And it's just proper for us to let the market buy. There you go. There you go. That's the inverse head and shoulder, right? So now, as the market is forming this inverse head and shoulder, fine, it formed its left shoulder, its right, its head, and then its right shoulder. Where do you see your entry opportunity? It's not at this first buying candlestick, but with this one, there is a lot of things that's happening here. Why would I take my entry here and not mind this resistance, right? Sorry guys, if I said before that this is a support, I'm very sorry. This is a resistance. Basically, it's a support that turned into resistance, and now it's a support again. Yeah guys, it's a support, but at the time it was a resistance, right? So why would I take my buy here? So if we zoom into this chart, we can see that the market, this candlestick, it formed a big rejection. So at some point this candlestick was here, and then it respected this support. This is also a support because look, the market rejected here. At the same line, the market's rejecting here. Look at this wicks, and then this one just is your confirmation, right? And this is a bullish hammer. We call this a hammer candlestick, right? So after that candlestick, I would have taken my buy. Look how the market just retested this trend line, and then it buys, and then the market buys crazy. You get the point? So to me, it's all about watching price closely, guys. And I can find another entry here whereby I can scale in or do something, right? So I know that the market is trending here, right? Let me just get this point. The market is trending here, right? And we see the market's creating something like this. We can see that the market is giving us 3 bullish candlesticks, guys. 3 whole bullish candlestick. What do I do, guys? I just take my buy. I just take my buy here. I put my stop loss somewhere here, and I put my take profit there. Look how the market just shoots again. So pay close attention to price. Remember, when trading Nasdaq, it's also important to pay close attention to your psychological, your mental health, guys. What I would advise you guys to do is, once you take a loss in the market, especially when you're trading Nasdaq, you would want to step away from the markets, guys. Step away from the markets, give the market time to breathe, right? And then once, let's say you only trade London and New York. Once you take a loss on London, don't take another trade, right? It's fine. Wait for New York session and then you trade. If your trading plan says, no, if I take a loss for the day, I'm not trading again, it's fine. Take your loss and wait for tomorrow, guys. The markets are not going to run away from you. Remember, Nasdaq is there, guys. It's here. It's literally here. Anything in the world can happen and you can still make money on Forex, because it doesn't matter if the US currency falls or whatever, because that's still good for anyone who trades Forex, because as long as you see it as bearish, you're gonna make money. You get the point? So now I can also see a trade right here, guys. I can see a perfect trade, right, that I'm gonna take. Let's say if this was New York session, right? Let's say this was New York session. So I can see that the market gave me my first touch, second touch, and then it gave me my third touch, right? What am I still seeing that confirms my buy, right? I can see that the market has a support there, right? I can see the market has a support there, right? And what is the market doing on that support? Let me go down to the 15 minutes time frame, right? I'm just analyzing with accuracy, right? Because when you're trading Nasdaq, guys, you want to be accurate as possible. You want to be so accurate that you take your entries to the T. Okay, let's get back to the chart. So what's happening here is the market is actually, look at the wicks again that the market is forming here. The market came here. This zone is very strong, guys, because as the market came here, it started pushing up without messing into this zone. When it came here, it started pushing up, and now it won't come back here again, because we can see what's happening here. The market just formed a higher low, right? Because it can't sell anymore. Now this is the market telling you that, hey man, I'm ready to buy, right? I'm ready to buy. If you don't buy me, when are you not gonna make money, right? So what else can I see? I can also see a zone here that most traders won't see, right? I can see a zone there that most traders won't see. Let me show you that that's a support. Let me go down to my 5 minutes time frame. Wow, can you look at that? It's also an inverse head and shoulder pattern, right? So it's so easy, guys. You see, to trade the market, ne, it's something even a grade 5 can do it, guys. So let me just adjust. Okay, cool. What's happening here? The market tapped here, it rejected, right? The market came back, it started rejecting. The market went up. The market tapped here, it rejected, right? This is showing us that we are ready for buys, right? The market is ready for buys. So where are we gonna look at this trade now? At which time frame? We're gonna look at it from a let me say we're gonna look at this thing from a 5 minute, right? And I'm gonna show you why I'm saying 5 minutes, because look here, on the 5 minute we do also have like a trend line here. We do have like a trend line here, and remember, third touch is the most powerful touch. So we want the market to come give us this third touch on this line here, which might also be this support right here, right, where the market will come touch, and then we are expecting the market to give us a buy, right? So we are expecting the market to give us a buy. That's how easy it is to trade Nasdaq, guys. I don't see why you guys are overcomplicating things and whatever you guys are doing, right? That's how easy it is to trade Nasdaq. That's a secret, guys. And most of the mentors, they don't know these things, because you know what they do? They just come on the chart when it's 3:30, they buy or they sell. Yeah, they buy or they sell. Now, a stupid trader, okay, look, I know everyone has different setups, right? But you can't be so you see, negligence will be the cause of your downfall. Now look at this, right? Look at this. An average trader will say that, okay, this is a resistance, it's time for us to sell and to go down. But as they do top down analysis, we'll see, okay, no, cool, on the 1 hour time frame, the market is on an uptrend for now, right? And we can see that the market also broke out of its mini downtrend, right? So which means that the market is now moving. This is a change of character, right? And we can now see that the market is in an uptrend, and we are currently on a third touch, right? So we scale down to the 15 minutes time frame. When we come down to the 15 minutes time frame, we can see that there's a bigger picture with the support here, and this support is so accurate, right? It's precise. Now when we zoom in, we can see the market forming a higher low, right? Already those are a lot of confluences, right? So we take out the sell already. We go down to the 5 minute time frame. When we go down to the 5 minute time frame, we can see the market forming an inverse head and shoulders. Where is this head and shoulder? We have our left shoulder here, we have our head, and then we have our right shoulder. What does the market have to do? The market has to buy. Now, what's happening here? What can I still see? When I zoom in properly here, I can see the market forming a bullish engulfing candlestick. Let me just outline that, guys. I can see the market forming like a bullish engulfing candlestick here, which confirms to me that we are buying, guys. We are buying. It's not that hard to see that we are buying. I'm sorry, it's not that hard. What can I still see? I can see the market rejecting here. So, guys, you can only see these things if your mental state, if you are mentally okay, you can see these directions, guys. You get the point? You can only see these things if you are straight. You can't. When you take a loss, ne, you will start seeing funny things. I can see another thing again, guys. You see, the thing about me, ne, when I have a lot of confluences, right, I stick to my trade. I don't change my trade because Pete, John, and Paul, they said we should do this. No, 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 no. So what we can see here is that the market broke out of this trade. The market also formed a wick out of this trade, right? Which it's just simple for the market to come retest into the zone, which means it's gonna retest the zone, it's gonna create its third touch, and it's gonna retest this trend line. Once it comes here and it shows us a confirmation, we buy, guys. We buy, we put our stop loss here, we put our take profit here, we buy. That's how simple it is, right? So you don't want to overcomplicate things. Now, coming back to take profits, I think I said something about take profits in my previous video, but I'll just say it again. You want to make sure that you target the highs, the previous highs, when you're setting your take profits, right? You want to make sure you're targeting your previous highs when you're setting your take profits, right? For you to have that accurate take profit, and for you to actually, get out of the market when it's still early, right? Because we know that the market is gonna come here and it might reject. The market is gonna come here and it might reject. The market is gonna come here, and after you hit your first take profit, you just put your stop loss to break even, right? And then you can't lose this trade. Either way, you make money, guys. So that's all of today from today's video, guys. Like, that's all. That's how simple it is, right? Yeah, guys, that's all from today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video so far, so good. Yeah, guys, this is your mentor, Uncle Nasdaq. Yeah, guys, so if you enjoyed this video, please guys, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like this video, comment, and share this video with your friends and family so they can get notified once we upload, guys. And then another thing is we're dropping GT Algo 1.0 this month, guys. We're dropping GT Algo 1.0 on Friday, right? We're dropping GT Algo 1.0 on the 6th of October 2023, right? So get ready. We will be a bit kind with the price, but you know, we can't be too kind because this robot doesn't make mistakes, guys, and this is how it is, guys. So please make sure you watch out for the robot and you get your money together for the robot, right? So you can start getting automated and you can start making money. Nonetheless, guys, I'm out. This is your mentor, Uncle Nasdaq, signing out. Danke.